Say hi, baby. Hey, honey. Getting big, huh? Say we're 6 weeks old today. Huh? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Say cheese.
We came up with an order of service, and we really wanted it to be similar to our wedding service that we had 25 years ago. You and all the boys except for Jackson will enter at the front. We'll start the pre-bride.
Hey, honey. Monkey. What's the matter? Don't get fussy. What? Oh, yeah? Tell them about it. You ticklish on your neck, huh? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You can smile? Say cheese. Cheese. You're so handsome.
Josh and Anna, had just gotten married the year before, and she let us use her bouquet.
Oh, yeah?
We're very excited. I think once everything is set in place and there's not as many
Oh. All right, I think it's time to say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye.
A couple weeks later, the dress arrived at our house. Anytime anything shows up at our house, we have curious little eyes and hands.